Yan na. What's that? What's that? And on the other side. Oh, careful. Go straight. Just go straight. Peekaboo! Ano, come here. Ayan na. Here, nak. Baby. Ayan na.
Nakalagay ganito naman.
Oo, nawala kasi sila. Walang right size na nut niya.
Parang iba yung thread ng mga ganito.
Hindi ba pwedeng malaki na ano, nut?
Kasi dalawa na kasi ito eh. Itong pine thread tsaka magaspang na. Iba pa rin yung thread.
Baka yung mas malaki pa.
Hindi na. Kasi hindi magte-thread.
Ano kaya to? Natanggal kasi yung mga ano niya, yung mga tarugo niya. Kaya hindi magamit na Ayana. Kasi natanggal yung mga ano niya dito. Ito pala yung nut niya. Oh. Itong ganito niya. Isa na lang yung natira dito. Which is ito. Yung the rest nawala na. Kaya pag upuan na Ayana, nagyuga-yuga siya. Ay nako. Huh? You've been wandering around? Huh? Baby sweet. You go ate, just walk around lang. Be careful, no touching, okay? Almost done, anak. I fixed your ano na, your bike.
Ito yung mga solar.
What's that? Did you see something interesting? Huh? Nguso. Oh, careful ate, ate. Tingnan mo ate. Tingnan mo, sundan mo. Ang batang malikot. Malikot yung batang iyan. Oh no, no touching anak, no touching please.
No.
Tingin din siya. Oh, you brum. That's your brum. Say thank you, kuya. Say thank you, kuya. To fix your brum. Ha? Seryoso pa naman siya, oh. Kala mo totoong tao. Ano pala ito? Anak, that's dirty, anak. Ayan na, no. Cool. Ano mo yun? Ano na sa gulong?
Parang sa akin lang.
Ang dami nang kagat ng batang ito. Ito yung sugat niya sa paa. Inano na yan. Kinalmot niya. Mahaba na kasi yung kuko. Seryoso. Seryoso. Anak, that's dirty, that anak. No touching, please. Yeah, where's the wet wipes? Okay, mama will give you the wet wipes. Ate, bigyan ng wet wipes, ate, oh. Nicole. 1 and 4 months. Wipe your hand. Ay, Diyos ko niyo. Yung pupunas mo lang ng kamay, tapos nandyan na naman siya. Ayan na, baby. Punasan mo, Col. Almost done, anak. Almost done. Okay, okay, okay. Just wait. Okay. Say thank you, Kuya. Thank you for fixing Ayana's bike. Huh? Ayana's bike is already fixed. Okay, let's go up. Ikaw na mag-maneuver kung paano. Huwag mo pag... Sige, chuchu, nandyan. Tabi mo, tabi. Yung chuchu, Nicole. Gilid. Go straight. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, chuchu. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Unak. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Basta. Bye-bye, chuchu. Bye-bye. Uy, makikita niya na naman yan. Anak, what's that? Do you hear the fountain? Later we will go there, Nak. We have to go up first. Take the escalator and come down later. Shoo! Hindi na maganda yung ng preno mo, anak. Let's go to saan ba tayo pupunta? Yung bang pangalan nun?
Oh my God, sa diba?
Magpapakilay lang muna ako. Bro lounge pala. Sa bro lounge. Inaantok na tong bata eh. Namumula na yung mata. Dapat napping na yung nito eh. Time to nap. Bakit naging red dito? Bakit naging red dyan? We celebrate 40 super years. Ayan. Celebration pala. Kaya red. Parang may nag-alam po. Anak, can you take anak first?
Eh, natingnan mo yung kamay niya na. Ibig sabihin
Much. Okay, isa lang naman. You wanna go inside also? Yes po. Pavilion. Magpalinis ako na aking kilay kasi medyo matagal na to hindi nalinisan. Babayaran mo ba yan? Ang gulo ng buhok mo, anak. Say thank you, Daddy. Say thank you, Daddy. We're at Greenwich for our dinner tonight. Maiba naman.
paano yung diet mo?
Kamay ngay sa diet. Once a week yung ating kanin. O kabaliktaran. Basta talaga. Ang hirap pag-diet. Maraming temptation sa paligid. What's that, anak? Anak, don't put that in your mouth, please. No, 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 no putting in your mouth. You want your mouth? Ayan na. Ay, ayan na, that's dirty, baby. It's dirty, anak.
Siya na.
No, anak. Give mommy. Mama, I will go now. No, baby, it's dirty. Kunin mo. I'll give this to ate. No. Oh, it's okay. Have your milk. Yeah. Basta. Where's the wet wipes? Ito ate. Basta ate, sapot ate. Look at them. Look at the people. Barong natin. Mama, we're gonna eat. You wanna eat too? I wanna eat. What is that? Huh? Lumabas muna kami dun sa Greenwich. Oh, slowly. Look at the dog, anak. Look at the puppy. Can you see the puppy? Can you see the puppy, anak? You wanna see the puppy? Careful. See the puppy there? Is that Monty? Is that Monty? Is that you, Monty? Uy. Uy, careful. Oh, slowly, no running, please. No running. Ayan, that's a food. Let me open for you, anak. Open, mommy, open, mommy. Want this? Look. You want that one? Show mommy. Wait, mommy. Oh, no. Ay, naku. What have you done? Anak, what have you done? Oh, you can eat this one. This is food. Look, mommy. Eat. Eat, come on. Look, mommy. Eat. Come on, eat. Eat. This one, nak. This one. No? Ayan na. Look, mommy. Alive ka na naman mamaya, anak. Look, mommy. Look at mommy na. You bite? Bite it. Okay, hold it tight. Hurry up. Come on. Say, ate, I have a cotton candy, ate. Come on, let's go. Baby, okay, that's yours. Want some bread? Ito yata yung akin. Ito yung sayo. Yung sa akin, maanghang yung na-order. Paano ba ito, anak? Mama will feed you, anak. Pasok mo inside. Anak, mami. Ano Anak, don't make a mess, anak, okay? You don't have the beef. Is it yummy? Ay, nako, anak. Mama will feed you. Hindi mo ito nagustuhan kasi di mag-spaghetti, anak. Ay, di spaghetti. Yum niya. What is that one? Come on. Let's go home. Come on, let's go home. Monty is waiting for us. Come on.